Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 10 must-read spiritual books for beginners. Whether you are new to spirituality or just looking to expand your knowledge, these books are a great starting point. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. The first book on our list is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book teaches readers how to live in the present moment and let go of past and future worries. It is a great read for anyone looking to reduce stress and anxiety and find more peace in their daily lives. The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Next up, we have The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This book offers practical wisdom on how to live a happy and fulfilling life. The author presents 4 agreements that, when followed, can transform our lives and help us achieve our goals. A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle. Another great book by Eckhart Tolle, A New Earth explores the concept of the ego and how it can cause suffering in our lives. The book provides insights into how we can transcend our ego and find inner peace and fulfillment. The Celestine Prophecy by James Redfield. The Celestine Prophecy is a spiritual adventure novel that follows the journey of a man seeking to uncover the secrets of an ancient manuscript. Along the way, he learns about synchronicity, energy fields, and other spiritual concepts that can help us find deeper meaning in our lives. The Alchemist by Paolo Qualo. The Alchemist is a timeless classic that follows the journey of a young shepherd named Santiago as he travels to Egypt in search of treasure. Along the way, he learns about the power of following his dreams and listening to his heart. The Untethered Soul is a book about mindfulness and inner peace. The author shares insights into how we can release ourselves from negative thoughts and emotions and find greater happiness in our lives. Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. The Autobiography of a Yogi is a spiritual classic that has inspired millions of readers around the world. The book tells the story of Paramahansa Yogananda and his journey from India to America, where he founded the Self-Realization Fellowship. Be Here Now by Ram Dass. Be Here Now is a classic book on spirituality and mindfulness. The author, Ram Dass, shares his personal journey of self-discovery and offers practical tips on how we can live in the present moment and find inner peace. The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success is a practical guide to achieving success in all areas of our lives. The author, Deepak Chopra, presents 7 spiritual laws that, when followed, can help us find greater happiness, fulfillment, and abundance. The Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu. Finally, we have the Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu. This ancient text is a must-read for anyone interested in spirituality and personal growth. The book offers timeless wisdom on how to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 10 must-read spiritual books for beginners. Let us know in the comments if you have read any of these books or if you have any other recommendations for us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content.